Hey y'all, what's up? It's Stock Vibes. Today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna explain the whole process of like getting Robinhood for like the people that don't know how to use it. All right, I made this account so I can kind of show y'all. This is a new account. This is an account I never used yet. To show you how it is, like the whole process, like when you go to buy the stock, from when you're looking at the stock. Like I said, once you set up the account, you link your account together. You do a deposit before you buy the stock. So I'm just gonna go to portfolio. This is a new one that I just made just to show y'all. I don't have no stock in this one at all. That's like the free stock, and I think we purchased some shares of this stock right here. Well, it's not even gonna go through. It was just for me to show y'all how to do it. The stock that we did, the stock we purchased, it's like 51 cents a share. So we bought a few shares of it. And at the bottom, it shows you what you have available for that stock. So when you go to buy it, just say for instance you want to buy in Disney. You look up Disney. Disney is $115.95, like a share. So I mean, one share of Disney, that's what it is. You can put a dollar amount into the shares too, but I mean you won't return that much money on it. So if you're gonna start small, I wouldn't recommend you get Disney, because I mean if you're gonna spend like $115 to get one share, I mean you're really not gonna make no money on it. So I would stay away from like shares that's over like 100, because you won't make that much money if you're not going to invest a good bit of money in it. If you're going to use like maybe $100, you want to try to get you some stock that's like $1, $2, $3, like that. You don't want to just use $100 to buy stock like Disney. I mean, because you're not going to really make no money off of it. So like say for instance, if I want to buy Disney, all you would do, you would pull it up. This would tell you everything about Disney, like the reviews on it. And like I said, the stock market doesn't open up until Monday, so you really can't buy nothing right now anyway. But if you want to buy Disney, say for instance, I want to buy Disney, I would come right here. I will go to shares, and then I would just put in the number of shares I want. So say I wanted 3 shares of Disney, I'll put 3 shares. That's how much it's gonna cost you right here. That's just the price it has right now. So I mean, 8:30, that price can change. So like say if you wanted 10 shares, that's how much it would cost you to get 10 shares for Disney. Say you wanted 20, that's what it'll cost you. So say you want to look up something else. It has 100 most popular stocks you can look up. So you just click it. It'll show you all the stocks, the popular ones. You can just go down the list. It has Ford Motors, GE, American Airlines, Apple, Disney, Delta Airlines, Microsoft, Tesla, GoPro. It's just a whole list of stocks. Like I said, if you want to buy, say you want to buy Apple, I think Apple is like 400 and something. So yeah, for instance, Apple is like $427 a share. So I mean, unless you're gonna put about $10,000 on Apple, I wouldn't recommend y'all buying Apple when you first start. You want to look for something like really cheap when you first start. So I think I would look at something that's in oil. So look up some. I should be able to find some cheap ones. If you look down right here, it shows like some of the stock that the people bought. Like I said, you want to search for stuff that's cheap when you start off. Just start off. You don't want to buy like super expensive stuff, because I mean you're not going to have no good return on it. So for instance, this stock right here, was it Power Shares, DB Oil Fund? It's like $7.33 a share. So say for instance, if you want to invest your $200 in this one, this would be a good one because like I said, the price is low and you can buy you a good bit of shares. So what I'll do is I'll go right here, I'll put my shares. So I'll say I'll use $200. So that'll be about, we'll hit the shares. I'll write it right here. That's 15. So you say about maybe 28. There you go. That'd be $200 of stock that you buy. It'll be 28 shares times the 733, and you'll get 205. And all you do, you just review it. You just hit review the order. I don't want to buy that, so I'm not going to hit it, but you're going to hit review the order. So I'm going to hit it. And what you will have to do after you hit review, whenever the stuff comes out your account, it's going to say deposit, but what they're going to do is they're going to credit it. So it's going to tell you how much it costs. You have to press deposit, which I'm not buying that. So you have to press deposit, and when you press deposit, it's going to pull up this screen again, and it's going to show you how many shares you have. So it's 2 transactions when you buy stock. You have to do the deposit, and then you have to actually buy the stock. When you do the deposit, it's just putting the money into your account, and then it's going to ask you again. You have to process it the second time, and you just buy the stock. So it's 2 processes when you buy stock. With stock, you have to understand like the shares. Whenever you want to make money, you have to have more shares. The more shares, the more money. So don't just buy 1 share of something and think you're going to make money from it. I mean, it doesn't work like that. You're going to have to, I'm not saying you're going to have to spend a lot of money, but I mean, you're going to have to spend maybe 100 or 200, to really make some money. Buying 1 share of something, you're probably wasting your time. Because I mean, say you buy 1 share of something that's $1 and it goes up $3. You only gain $2. I don't think you want to just get into this just to gain $2. If you want to get into it, like I say, buy some. You don't have to like spend a bunch of money at one time. You can like maybe send maybe like $50 bi-weekly. So you can do it like that. You can look at this as like a savings account. So like I say, just invest. You don't have to dump a whole bunch of money. Like soon as you get in, like I say, you can just set up something to where you can just follow. I'm gonna put $50 here every 2 weeks, which is good. Like I say, you have to just understand stock, and you have to understand when to sell and when to buy. Every day I give y'all a list of stocks, but like I say, I'm giving y'all a list, but y'all still have to watch them. Because like I say, that stuff drops all the time. Like I said, if you end up buying stock and you seeing it's dropping, you get out of it, because I would get out of it. I'm going to sell mine. So like I said, you have to know when to get out, when to sell. Like the key with stock is when you get up, you have to, what I do, I sell my profit. Because you don't want to just keep holding stock and then it goes all the way down and you don't make no money. So whenever you get you can get like $50 and you made profit, sell $50 of that stock you have. Like sell $50 of shares and send it to your account. Like I said, that's how I make my profit. Whenever I see stock is going up and I done made $200 to $300, I'm gonna send that to myself. I'm gonna pay myself, because I know if I wait, I can basically not say lose it, but my profit can go down, and I'm basically just wasting my time. So I don't want y'all to waste y'all time. So like I said, when y'all make a profit, it's best you just sell that part of the stock. Don't sell all of it, because if it goes up, you can still make money off of it. But you have to pay yourself. You don't want to just get stock and be like, oh, I'm just spending money. Because it's gonna look like a bill if you keep buying stock every day and you don't send money back to your account. So that's not the goal. The goal is to use stock to pay your bills. This is extra money for you. Like I said, I'm gonna give you a list every day. You just have to follow it, look at it, watch it. Cause I mean, I don't want to just give you something and you not watching it and you buy it at the wrong time. Because I mean, you can buy it at the wrong time and you can lose. So like I said, you have to watch it. So like I said, I give you stuff in the morning. Y'all should just look at it like, okay, 8:30 come, I'm gonna watch these 3. So whatever one you feel is moving the way you want it to move, then you jump on it. You don't wait, because if you wait, either you can cost yourself a lot of money, because stock goes up quick and it really doesn't wait on nobody. So like I say, when you're doing this, like you kind of need to focus on it, because like I said, it's your money. So like I said, the buying process is 2 steps. First, your account is going to ask you to do a deposit. Deposit is just the money to cover the stock, like how much it's going to cost you. Then the second transaction is actually you buying the stock. So it's 2 things you have to do. Make sure you do those, because I don't want you to think you have stock and you don't have it, and then the stock is going up and you think you're getting paid and then you're not. So like I said, you have to pay attention to that part. And I'll close it with stock. It's not as hard as people make it. So I mean, it's a learning thing every day. I learn every day from it. So like I say, thank y'all for subscribing. Have a good day. Stock Vibes. Thank you.